In this short video I will show you the fastest way to list your items from Amazon to eBay. Let's suppose that you just find this item and you want to list it in your eBay account. Everything you need to do is just copy the ASIN. Let's copy it here. You come to our software to deshop it. You paste the ASIN here. You push the button to import it from the source. You check it. It will already upload the image. It calculate the price for you also, depending on your break even and your profit. You can set it. It will show you the suggest price based in everything, and everything that you need is just press the submit button. Let's submit it. It takes just a few seconds. The software is uploading the item now. And here you are. Okay, check the time, how long it takes. Here is the item, you just upload it and you can see it. If your template, you can configure this template. Okay, so that's all. See you in the next video, folks. Bye bye.